Good morning class, welcome to St. Peter School. This is your science class in previous class we were doing question and answer of chapter number 2 adaptation. And in previous class we have already done up to the question number 3rd. Now today we are going to start with the question number 4. So question number 4 is nothing is this simple match the following. So what you have to do, you have to choose the correct option for all the eight words whatever is written here. So you have to choose the correct answer for them. So first one is camel. For the camel, the appropriate answer will be D is a hump. We all know that camel has hump on their back, which is used to store food and water. Due to in desert area, it is very in very less amount water is available. So what camel used to do, they used to store the food and water in their hump. Yak, for example, yak appropriate answer will be F, long hair. So we all know that yak is having long hair on their body to survive in such a hot cold climate. So yak is having long hair on their body. Panther for panther, third H will be the correct option. Strong limbs, we all know that is the animals which used to survive in a forest, like lion, tiger. They all have strong limbs to catch their catch the small animals for their feeding. So they have a strong limbs. Fourth number, fish. We know for fish, A option will be very appropriate. Gills, because fish through gills they used to they do the respiration process. Snail. For snail, G option will be correct option. Shell, because we all know that snail is having shell on their body to cover them, so that they can protect themselves from the by the help of shell. Now seal is a type of animal which is usually found in, you can see it is given here on the page number 178. You will see, when you will see the first paragraph, polar region, there is given the seal example. So seal, for the seal will be the correct answer. You can see here this type of animal has flipper. This you can see on the page number 182. It is clearly written here that seal is having flipper both side on their body. Okay, now duck has wave feet which help them to float on a water. Mosquito, most of the insect is having 6 legs and 4 wings. So for the mosquito, B will be the correct option. So you can write your correct answer from here. Answer is written here. Okay, now move to the question number 5. That is first question: what special feature does a dog have to develop if it has to live in the polar region? Okay, so what features should be required by the polar region has to develop by the dog to survive in a polar region? So you will write your answer like this: animals present in polar regions should have animals live in polar region, or animals found in polar regions should have. You can turn the page number 178. You will see that the features are written here. That should have thick layer of fat under their skin and their bodies are covered with fur, to stay in a groups to keep themselves warm. Why it is required? So you will write your answer like this: animals present in polar region should have thick layer of fat under their skin and their bodies are covered with fur, to stay in groups to keep themselves warm. And hence these features should be developed by dog to survive in a polar region. You will write your answer like this. You will start your answer like this: animals found in polar regions should have thick layer of fat under their skin and their bodies are covered with fur, to stay in groups to keep themselves warm. Hence these features should develop by the dog also to survive in a polar region. That's all. So you will write your answer like this. Your answer is given on the page number 178. Okay, 178, first paragraph. Now move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is again, how do jellyfish okay, how do jellyfish breathe? How do jellyfish breathe? It is again clearly written on the page number, you can see here on the page number 182. Okay, okay, yes, sorry, one page number 180. It is clearly written here, jellyfish need to exchange of gases takes place directly between the body and the water. Okay, so how you will write? So in jellyfish, respiration occurs through the exchange of gases takes place directly between the body and the water. If the answer is given on the page number 180, you can see your answer is written here, jellyfish do the exchange of gases, do the exchange, you can add here do term, jellyfish do the exchange of gases takes place directly between the body and the water. That's all. So this is the answer, question number 2. Okay, now question number 3, why do animals need oxygen? Why do animals need oxygen? How is oxygen supplied to all parts of the body? Why do animals need oxygen and how is oxygen supplied to all parts of the body? So we all know that all the living beings do the respiration process, and in the respiration process what happens, exchange of gases takes place between carbon dioxide and the oxygen. So for the human beings, for us we used to intake oxygen and we used to exhale carbon dioxide, and like us, animals also do the same process. While it is opposite in plant used to take a carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen, but animals and the human beings, this is very common that during respiration process we used to inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. So you can write your answer from here, question number 3. On the page number, you can see on the page number again 180. The first line you can see here, all the living things take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide because in the body oxygen burns the food and release energy to do different activities. This process is called respiration. So you don't have to change anything, nothing change is required. You can write your answer directly from here. All the living things takes in oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. Just add here because, okay, because in the body oxygen burns the food and release energy to do different activities. This process is called respiration. Now second part of the question is asking how do oxygen transfer in different part of the body. So you will write the oxygen transferred in different parts of body through our ब्लड की हेल्प से ऑक्सीजन जो होता है वो हमारे पूरे बॉडी में स्प्रेड होता है. सो यू विल राइट योर आंसर लाइक दिस. Okay, in next class we will discuss more question and answer, that is okay. So in next class we will discuss more question and answer fourth question is what body cover do snails have, how does it help them? So the answer is also given in your book only, but in next class we will discuss detail about this, how you will write your answer. Okay, so till the time what you are going to do, start writing down the question and answer. If you are having any problem, you can WhatsApp me, you can ask me personally. If you are not able to write if you are not able to write your answer in your own way, then you can contact me, WhatsApp me personally कि आपको कहाँ problem हो रहा है. I will help you for that. So till the time do revision, start learning question and answer also. Thank you, bye bye.